The Chlorun system is based on solid chlorine for disinfection, which is an easily soluble material. There are several systems which are suitable for the requirements of the customer: Mega Chlorun, Mini Chlorun, and SSI. The system is used for a range of solutions: chlorination of drinking water, chlorination of wastewater for irrigation, greenhouses, packing houses, and plants. One of the most significant benefits of the system is that as long as the material is in its solid state, its concentration does not go down. The system is easy to operate and saves manpower and financial costs. The use of the system is safe. The Chlorun system has a high resistance under field conditions. It is also possible to receive regular alerts to a mobile phone. Another advantage is the ease of conveyance to the customer. A mechanical tap, water filter, pressure reducer, electrical tap, flow measuring device, and flow meter. We will now activate the system. We will now open the tap before the chlorination. Pay attention to the quality of the water. We will now see the quality of the water after the chlorination. We went to meet Buzz, the agriculturalist from Einhunnetiv. Our water is spring water, which flows from the Beijian Valley, fed into the fish ponds, the irrigation ponds, and from there it arrives at this pond. The water contains fish secretions and mineral oxides released from the ground, and limescale which is in the water. All these things flow into our irrigation systems, clog up the filters, and eventually clog the drips. In the past, we tried to clean the irrigation systems using liquid chlorine and with the assistance of acids. We used to do this several times a year, and it's not clear whether the effect of this had been so good. We also used to employ a person, especially one day a week, to come and clean the whole system, rinse, open, and clean the filters where necessary. Today, we no longer employ this person, but we do it ourselves. I do it once every 2 weeks, and the rinses take place much faster. If in the past we opened a tap for more than a minute and dirt still came out, today, after 20 to 30 seconds, the water is already completely clean. And we can do many more areas per day. I am very pleased with the system. The system maintains a very large area of orchards and also fields, and allows us flexibility of cleaning so that we can wash it once in a while and rest assured that the system works. Today we are working with 2 machines that cover several thousand dunams of field crops and orchards. We have been using the system for 2 years. The last season was actually a continuous season after we calibrated the system and learned how to work with it. It has been working continuously in all the areas. We can see the result, for instance, in the date plantations. If once, due to a lack of balance of open and clogged drips, there were all sorts of puddles of water next to the trees, now those puddles have gone, and that is the proof that all the drips are irrigating at more or less the same capacity. Also with the olives, we see that there are no areas of dry olive trees compared with the past, when over the year we had to go over and look for all kinds of areas where the drips clogged. In fact, for me, as an agriculturalist, it is not about a large or small crop, but it is that my expenses went down because today I employ fewer workers to clean the whole system, and I sleep peacefully at night because I know the drips are being cleaned all the time, and in the end I save on expenses, and of course time is the biggest expense there is.